Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Front End IQ. Actually, I am new on the YouTube, so if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe it. So my today's topic is how to make a perfect resume. Perfect resume, that means how to make a ATS friendly resume. So, as of now, we all know the getting a resume shortlist is the very first steps toward cracking any interviews. A strong resume can also create a great, that means the first impression to in your chance to getting selected. So in this video I will share the following points, like how to create a professional resume, how to check your scores, which one is the best website to check your scores, and after checking your scores which things you need to update it, and how many sections you can include in your resume. So I can discuss all of the topics. And yes, I also make so many videos regarding interviews. In this video I said my interview experience. I also mentioned so many things regarding interviews. So if you haven't watched this video, then first of all you can check this video. And also I can make so many videos regarding the JavaScript questions. So these questions has been asked in my interview. Okay, so I make video on these topics. So yes, if you haven't watched this video, then please go to my channel and watch this video. So let's start regarding interview. How to in interview, how to make a perfect resume. Okay, so the best website to make the resume is Overleaf. So when okay, first of all we can search that Overleaf resume templates. Okay, okay, so here you can see that there are so many templates are there. So here one of the best template is this one. So I mostly use this template. And okay, so after viewing these templates, you can see that there is a three options: open as a template, view source and view PDF. So you can click here open as a template. Okay, so after clicking these options, here one code is there, and here the live preview is there. Okay, so first of all it can include the phone number, email ID, YouTube channel, then locations. After that here some experience are there, projects are there, educations, skills. So it can include most of the options. Okay, and here you can easily update anything. So like if you want to update phone number, then just click and search 555.555. Okay, so here the phone number is there, and you can also update the phone number. After updating it, you can click on the recompile. So if you can click on the recompile, then we can see the changes. Okay, so you can easily update your resume. So after updating the resume, here you can download it. Okay, so after downloading the resume, there is the second step is to check the ATS scores. Okay, so here I can use this website. So this one is a very best website to check the score. Okay, so here it's the AI resume review. So just upload the PDF. Okay, after uploading the PDF, it can review this resume. Okay, so after reviewing, it can mention all the things which you need to improve in this resume. Okay, so let's wait. So it can analyze your resume. Yes, so your score is 6.2. Here it can also include in which section how many scores are there. So in a works experience the score is 5.5, in a project section the score is 6, in a education section the score is 8.5. Okay, and it can also help like which points is a very strong and which point is a weak, and they can also suggest you can use this instead of this. Okay, so for example, key suggestions. Okay, address the 7-year professional engineering gap by highlighting the technical aspect of the YouTube creator role. So this one is the good impact. Okay, so okay, here low we can check the low scores. Okay, and in a formatting section what is a good, and here some suggestions are given, so you can change this according to the given suggestions. Okay, and also you can use the chat gpt for getting the perfect sentences and all these. Here yes, it can also suggest like the current sentence is this, but you can also improve like this. And yes, so this one is the best one. So here yes, you can analyze your resume with using the AI. Okay, so when I was creating my resume at that time, I also used this website for checking the scores, and yes, my resume's ATS score is 9. Okay, so if you want my resume score, then please comment down, so I will share it in a comment. Okay, so here I can also include the sections you can include in your tech resume. So the first section is the summary. In a summary you can also mention like in which technology you are familiar and how many years of experience are there. The second section is the experience. So if you are an experienced person and you work in any company, then here you can also include the experience. The third one is the education. If you got a good mark in 10th and 12th, then you can also mention this, so this will also impact a very good in your resume. Okay, so the fourth one is a project. So if you have a experience, then in a project section you can also mention the project which you have done in any company. And if you are fresher at that time, you can also include your demo projects. Okay, the fifth one is the achievements, like in your college if you got any like silver medal, gold medal, or anything, like if you are a volunteer and all that. So in a achievement section you can also include this. Okay, the sixth one is a skills. So in a skill section you can uh, also divide this, like in a tech you have these skills, like in a backend you mostly familiar with this technology. Apart from the tech skills, you can also mention the skills like your hobbies. Okay, so you like to you like if painting, drawing, then you can also include these skills. Okay, so this one is the basic sections you must include in your resume. And yes, so if you want my resume score, then please comment down. Thank you. Yes, if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.